Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of spicy momo sauce. I served it with Japanese special chicken stuffed gyoza as well as momo. I have shared this recipe in my previous video and leave the link in the description below. For the momo sauce, boil water in a kadai and add in 3 tomatoes. I have slitted the tip of the tomatoes so that it will be easy to peel the skin. Now add in 3 garlic and 4 Kashmiri red chilli. Cover it and cook until the skin of the tomatoes peels off. The skin has peeled off and this is the right consistency. Cool the tomatoes and remove the skin. Take the tomatoes, garlic and Kashmiri red chilli in a mixer grinder and grind it smoothly. I have added little water while grinding it. I am adding in the grinded paste into the same kadai. Cook the tomato paste from low to medium flame. Add in salt as needed. Add in half a teaspoon of sugar. In goes 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Soy sauce has salt in it, so we should be mindful while adding salt. Cook the sauce for 4 to 5 minutes. Spicy momo sauce is ready to be served now. You can serve this sauce with momos, spring rolls, Japanese pot stickers or even cabbage rolls. Do try this momo sauce and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.